Hey there. One of the biggest questions I get from homeowners is, what can I do to maximise the sale price of my home? And trust me, that's exactly what I'm here to help you achieve. First, presentation is everything. Buyers need to feel an emotional connection to your home, so investing time into decluttering, deep cleaning, and professionally staging your home can seriously boost its appeal. Think about freshening up with neutral paint tones or even minor upgrades like new fixtures and fittings. Little changes can make a big difference. Second, never underestimate the power of first impressions. Curb appeal matters. Simple things like tidying up the garden, trimming hedges, adding fresh mulch, or placing attractive pot plants near the entrance can set the right tone and attract buyers instantly. Pricing strategically from the outset is also crucial. Homes that are competitively priced attract more interested buyers, which can lead to competitive bidding and ultimately drive your sale price higher. Lastly, exceptional marketing makes your home stand out. High-quality professional photography, engaging video tours, and targeted digital campaigns can reach the widest audience possible, drawing in serious buyers who are ready to pay top dollar. Remember, I'm here to guide you every step of the way to ensure we hit the market in the best shape possible and achieve the highest possible price for your home. Feel free to reach out if you'd like personalised recommendations tailored specifically to your home. Thanks so much for watching. Let's maximise your sale together.